Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this exponent problem that many people fail to solve. Why? Because 5 power a times 5 power minus 1 equal 50 and we have to find the value of a. So let's start with today's video solution. How can we solve this in few steps without making it much complicated? So 5 power a times 5 power minus 1 equal 50. I can write it as 25 times 2. So 5 power a times 5 power minus 1 equal 5. 25 I can write it as 5 square times 2. Now if I'll divide this part, I can write it as by 5 equal 5 power 2 times 2. So 5 power a equal 5 power 2 times 2 times 5. So 5 power a equal 5 cube times 2. Now if I'll take log on both sides, log 5 power a equal log 5 cube times 2. Now as per log rule, log a power b, we can write it as b log a. And so it becomes a log 5 equal 3 log 5 times 2. So a log 5 equal 6 log 5. Now if I'll divide both sides by log 5, this will cancel out. So a equal 6. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.